Sunlight drizzles through the dense jungle canopy, illuminating a world teeming with vibrant life and hidden mysteries. Teepo, a small rabbit, bursts with boundless energy, his every hop a testament to his uncontainable curiosity. His nose twitches, sampling the jungle's symphony of scents, an endless exploration of the unknown. Ears perked high, Teepo absorbs every sound, his senses painting a vivid picture of his lush domain. Wide-eyed, he pauses, a tiny figure amidst towering trees, lost in the wonder of his verdant world. Each rustle of leaves, each distant call, adds to the symphony of the jungle, a world alive with secrets. Sunlight paints the jungle clearing, dappling through leaves as Teepo steps into view, eyes wide, with childlike wonder. His gaze locks onto a cluster of leaves in the center, shimmering with an otherworldly light that captivates him. With tentative steps, he closes the distance, drawn by the mysterious glow. His small hand reaches out, fingers outstretched towards the sparkling leaves. Why are these leaves sparkling? There must be a secret, Teepo whispers, his voice filled with curiosity. Teepo walks a winding jungle path, sunlight dappling through the dense canopy, creating an ethereal glow. He stops, his eyes scanning the lush vegetation, a sense of mystery pulling him deeper into the jungle's embrace. Teepo reaches out, his fingers gently tracing the delicate veins of a leaf. His brow furrows in thought, contemplating the jungle's hidden secrets. Sunlight filters through the dense jungle canopy, painting the forest floor with shifting patterns of light and shadow. Young Teepo halts, his eyes widening as he comes face to face with a serene deer, its gaze gentle and unafraid. The deer stands motionless, a statue of grace amidst the vibrant green, its large brown eyes reflecting ancient wisdom. Teepo's innocent voice breaks the silence, curiosity sparkling in his eyes. "Dear, have you seen these sparkling leaves?" He holds up a handful of shimmering leaves, their surfaces catching the light like scattered jewels. "Do you know why they shine?" Teepo asks, his question hanging in the still, humid air of the jungle. Sunlight paints shifting patterns across the jungle floor, teeming with unseen life. A deer stands motionless, its ears twitching, sensing a shift in the jungle's harmony. The deer speaks to Teepo, a small monkey, its voice tinged with concern. "Teepo, I've heard those sparkling leaves are part of a magical tree. It might be weakening." Sunlight paints the jungle floor as Teepo scans the towering trees, his brow deeply furrowed with growing worry. The dense canopy looms above, a green cathedral filtering the light into shifting patterns of shadow and brilliance. A determined glint ignites in Teepo's eyes as he resolves to face the looming threat. "If the tree weakens, the jungle will become dark. I must investigate," Teepo declares, his voice echoing. Under the dense jungle canopy, sunlight paints shifting patterns on the path ahead as Teepo journeys on. Determination is etched on Teepo's face, a stark contrast to the soft light filtering through the leaves. He pushes through the dense undergrowth, each step driven by the singular goal ahead. The air hangs thick and humid as Teepo advances, his eyes fixed on the horizon. Each rustle of leaves and chirp of insects only strengthens his resolve to find the magical tree. Teepo arrives at the swiftly flowing river, the sunlight glinting off the rushing water. A turtle struggles, its legs flailing helplessly as it lies on its back. Seeing the turtle's plight, Teepo's eyes reflect determination. He begins searching the riverbank, his movements quick and purposeful. Teepo spots a sturdy log nearby. He positions the log, a hopeful glint in his eye as he aids the stranded turtle. Beside the flowing river, Teepo carefully positions a log, offering aid to the stranded turtle. The turtle looks up at Teepo, its ancient eyes conveying a silent gratitude for the assistance. "I can help you cross the river," the turtle offers, its voice a low rumble of ancient wisdom. Sunlight sparkles on the water as a bond forms between boy and turtle, promising safe passage. Sunlight dances on the river as Teepo journeys on the turtle's back, a peaceful crossing under the open sky. The gentle giant glides through the shimmering water, carrying Teepo steadily towards the opposite bank. Teepo smiles, a gesture of gratitude as he pats the turtle's sturdy shell. "Thank you for your help," Teepo says, his voice carrying softly across the water. The turtle continues its steady pace, unbothered by the weight or the journey, a silent guardian of the river. The sun shines brighter, illuminating their shared path as they approach the river's edge, a bond formed in transit. The jungle's edge yields to an encroaching darkness. Shadows deepen with every step, a palpable shift in the atmosphere. The air grows heavy, thick with unseen mysteries. Teepo pauses, a sudden realization dawning in his eyes. The deer's warning echoes. An unspoken understanding settles upon him, the gravity of their journey now starkly clear. Teepo approaches the magical tree, its once vibrant light now dimmed, casting eerie, elongated shadows across the ground. The tree's branches, heavy with sorrow, droop towards the earth, mirroring a deep, unspoken sadness. Teepo's hopeful gaze searches the tree's aged bark for answers, his heart heavy with concern. "Tree, what's wrong?" Teepo asks, his voice echoing through the quiet, the question hanging unanswered in the air. Sunlight pierces the canopy, revealing a magical tree. Its leaves, once vibrant, now droop with visible weariness. A faint magical energy pulses around the ancient tree, a silent testament to its fading power. The air vibrates with unseen forces, reflecting the tree's deep connection to the surrounding jungle. A sorrowful voice echoes from the tree, ancient and burdened. "I need light and friendship. The animals in the jungle are fighting, and it's draining my power," the tree says, its plea hanging in the air. Sunlight dapples through the leaves of the magical tree, its ancient branches drooping with weary sadness. Teepo, a young boy with determined eyes, stands at the tree's base, gazing up at its massive trunk. He clenches his small fists, a plan forming in his mind, a flicker of hope in his gaze. "If I can bring everyone together, maybe the tree will recover," Teepo whispers, his voice filled with resolve. Sunlight streams through the dense jungle canopy, illuminating a small clearing. Teepo gently guides a timid deer into the open space, its eyes wide with caution. A slow-moving turtle joins the gathering, its ancient shell gleaming in the dappled light. Teepo surveys the assembled animals, a sense of purpose etched on his young face. The jungle clearing becomes a sanctuary, filled with creatures great and small drawn together by an unseen force. Sunlight filters through the jungle canopy, spotlighting a small clearing where an unusual assembly gathers. Monkeys chatter, parrots squawk, and even a grumpy boar watches as Teepo steps forward, earnest and small. All eyes are on Teepo, a beacon of hope amidst the dense wild greenery. Teepo's small voice rings out with conviction. "If we all come together and offer light and good thoughts, the tree will surely heal." A hush falls over the clearing as Teepo's words hang in the air, a simple plea for unity and healing. Beneath the colossal magical tree, a mystical assembly gathers in the radiant glow. A harmonious circle of woodland creatures forms, each animal bound by a shared, unseen force. Squirrels, rabbits, foxes, and deer stand united, their paws intertwined in silent communion. An aura of enchantment radiates from the tree, enveloping the creatures in a protective embrace. Sunlight dances through the leaves of the ancient, magical tree, painting the forest floor with shifting shadows. Teepo stands in awe before the colossal tree, his young face reflecting reverence and wonder. The ancient tree emanates a silent wisdom, its massive presence a beacon in the tranquil forest. Teepo's voice echoes softly, a hopeful offering to the ancient guardian of the woods. "Let's all think of our best qualities and offer them to the tree," Teepo implores, his eyes shining. "The deer's hard work, the turtle's patience, my courage," Teepo lists, his words hanging in the still air. Bathed in sunlight, the magical tree stands still, ancient and serene. A soft light begins to emanate from within, growing steadily brighter. Creatures of the forest gather, their focused gaze fixed on the tree. The animals focus their positive energy, sending power to the tree. Deep in the jungle, sunlight filters through the canopy, dappling the leaves with emerald and gold. A faint shimmer emanates from the heart of the jungle, hinting at unseen magic. Suddenly, a clear ting echoes through the trees, a sound both delicate and powerful. Light explodes outwards, bathing the jungle in a radiant glow, transforming the familiar into the extraordinary. The air crackles with energy as the magical tree reveals its true splendor. Sunlight weaves through the canopy of the ancient, magical tree, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. The tree's ancient branches sway in a gentle, rhythmic dance, as if whispering secrets to the wind. A voice echoes from within the tree, ancient and wise, filled with gratitude and profound understanding. Thank you, Teepo. You brought everyone together. That is where my strength lies, the magical tree says. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, painting the jungle clearing and shifting patterns of light and shadow. A symphony of animal calls echoes through the air. Monkeys chatter, birds chirp, and elephants trumpet in the distance. Vibrant butterflies flutter among exotic flowers, their wings catching the sunlight like jewels. Monkeys swing effortlessly from vine to vine, their playful energy animating the lush surroundings. The air is thick with humidity, carrying the scent of damp earth and blossoming flora. A chorus of unseen voices rises from the depths of the jungle. Long live Teepo. Sunlight dapples the jungle floor, igniting a vibrant tapestry of green. Life bursts forth in every direction. Unseen creatures call out. A peaceful dance of animals unfolds under the dense canopy. The jungle breathes, a symphony of life in perfect harmony. Sunlight paints shifting patterns on the jungle floor, where shadows dance beneath the dense canopy. Teepo smiles genuinely, his expression radiating pure joy and contentment. A sense of peace settles over him, knowing he has helped restore the harmony of the jungle. The air vibrates with the sounds of life, a symphony of nature's chorus. The jungle thrives, a testament to Teepo's care. Flourishing with renewed vigor, sunlight streams through the dense jungle canopy, casting dappled shadows on the humid floor. Teepo sits on a fallen log, lost in thought, his brow furrowed with the weight of recent events. The jungle's symphony of chirps and rustles fades as Teepo reflects on their hard-won triumph. Understanding dawns as the day's trials replay in his mind, etching themselves deeper into his memory. Alone, we are small, but together, we can achieve great things. Teepo reflects, his voice echoing in his mind.